Welcome back to Speed Society, where we dive deep into the world of two-wheeled legends. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most iconic cruisers ever made, the 2025 Honda VTX 1800. Known for its massive presence, thunderous power, and timeless design, the VTX series has always been a favorite among riders who crave raw performance wrapped in classic cruiser styling. With the 2025 model, Honda has refined this beast, blending modern technology with old-school muscle. Whether you're a longtime VTX fan or a newcomer to the cruiser scene, this bike demands attention. So, let's break down what makes the 2025 Honda VTX 1800 a true standout. The legacy of Honda VTX 1800 Cruiser. The Honda VTX 1800 first roared onto the scene in the early 2000s, quickly establishing itself as a powerhouse in the cruiser segment. Its massive 1,800 cubic centimeters engine and bold, muscular design set it apart from the competition, appealing to riders who wanted a blend of American cruiser attitude with Japanese reliability. Over the years, the VTX developed a cult following, becoming a symbol of brute force and long-distance comfort. Now, in 2025, Honda has resurrected this legend, keeping its soul intact while injecting modern upgrades. The new VTX 1800 pays homage to its roots while pushing forward with enhanced performance, refined ergonomics, and cutting-edge tech, proving that some legends only get better with time. Design and aesthetic. The 2025 Honda VTX 1800 is a head-turner in every sense. Its design stays true to the classic cruiser formula, long, low, and loaded with attitude. The bike features a stretched-out silhouette with a deep, sculpted fuel tank, wide handlebars, and a commanding front end that exudes dominance. Chrome accents are tastefully applied, highlighting key areas like the exhaust, fenders, and engine covers, while the LED lighting adds a modern touch. The seat is a plush, solo-style design with optional passenger accommodations, ensuring both style and practicality. The paint options range from deep metallic blacks to vibrant two-tone schemes, allowing riders to choose a look that matches their personality. Every angle of the VTX 1800 screams power and prestige, making it a bike that demands respect on the road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 VTX 1800 lies its monstrous 1,800 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, a masterpiece of engineering that delivers relentless torque and a throaty, rumbling exhaust note. Honda has fine-tuned this powerplant for 2025, optimizing fuel injection and ignition mapping to ensure smoother throttle response and improved efficiency. With over 100 horsepower and 120 lb-ft of torque, this bike pulls hard from idle, making highway cruising effortless and acceleration thrilling. The 5-speed transmission is smooth and precise, while the belt drive system ensures low maintenance and clean power delivery. Whether you're rolling through city streets or eating up miles on the open highway, the VTX 1800's engine provides an intoxicating blend of raw power and refined performance. Technology and features. While the VTX 1800 stays true to its classic cruiser roots, Honda hasn't skimped on modern technology. The 2025 model comes equipped with a full-color TFT display offering crisp visibility and access to ride modes, navigation, and connectivity features via Bluetooth. Ride-by-wire throttle ensures precise control, while traction control and ABS provide added safety without intruding on the raw riding experience. Keyless ignition adds convenience, and the inclusion of cruise control makes long-distance rides even more enjoyable. The exhaust system has been tuned for a deep, resonant growl, and optional heated grips and seats ensure comfort in varying weather conditions. Honda has struck a perfect balance between old-school charm and contemporary convenience, making the VTX 1800 a cruiser that's as smart as it is powerful. Handling and comfort. Despite its size, the 2025 VTX 1800 handles with surprising agility. The low center of gravity and well-balanced chassis inspire confidence, whether navigating tight corners or cruising straight highways. The suspension setup, a beefy 45mm front fork and dual rear shocks, absorbs bumps effortlessly, delivering a plush ride even on rough roads. The seating position is relaxed, with mid-mounted foot pegs and wide handlebars that promote an upright, natural posture. The seat itself is generously padded, ensuring hours of comfort without fatigue. Honda has also improved vibration damping, making long rides smoother than ever. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily rider, the VTX 1800 offers a ride that's as comfortable as it is exhilarating. Riding experience. Swinging a leg over the 2025 VTX 1800 is an experience like no other. The moment you fire up the engine, the deep rumble of the V-twin sets the tone for an unforgettable ride. The throttle response is immediate, and the surge of torque makes every acceleration feel like an event. On the highway, the bike is rock-solid stable, with wind protection that keeps fatigue at bay. Around town, the commanding presence of the VTX turns heads, while the smooth clutch and light steering make stop-and-go traffic manageable. This is a bike that thrives on open roads but remains composed in urban environments. The combination of raw power, refined handling, and unmatched comfort creates a riding experience that's both thrilling and deeply satisfying. Upgrades. For riders looking to personalize their VTX 1800, Honda offers a range of factory upgrades and accessories. Performance options include high-flow air filters, slip-on exhaust systems, and ECU tuning kits to unlock even more power. Aesthetic enhancements like custom saddlebags, chrome trim kits, and LED accent lighting allow owners to tailor the bike's look. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Honda VTX 1800 carries a premium price tag, reflecting its premium positioning in the cruiser market. With a starting MSRP of around $18,000, it competes with other high-end cruisers like the Indian Chief and Harley-Davidson Softail. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda VTX 1800 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It combines brute force, timeless design, and modern innovation into a package that's hard to resist. While the cruiser market is crowded with options, the VTX stands out by staying true to its roots while embracing the future. For riders who want a powerful, head-turning machine that's as comfortable on a cross-country trip as it is on a weekend joyride, the VTX 1800 delivers in every way. Honda has proven once again that some legends never die, they just get better. Thanks for joining us on Speed Society. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Honda VTX 1800, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the world's most exciting bikes. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.